Good morning, you all. I welcome you all in online classes. You all take out your science book and open chapter 5. Your chapter name is Our Organ Systems. In this chapter, we have to study about our organ system. So, let's start. First is given, read the hints and identify the organs. There are given some pictures of our organs and given some hints also. You have to read the hints and write their names. You do it yourself. Now listen carefully and try to understand. Our body helps us to do many different things. As we all know, our body do all the things. Different parts of our body do different things, but they all work together. Our body do many things, many work, different kind of works, so many movements and so many activities, but it is done by all the organs together. It is not possible to do with only one organ. It is worked together. Inside our body, let's see what is inside our body. Our body is made of thousands of very small parts called cells. Our body is made up of cells. A very little part of our body, it is called cells. These cells form the basic structure of our body. These cells are basic structure of our body. Cells are different kinds. There are different kinds of cells like muscle cells, bone cells, nerve cells, skin cells, and many more. See, groups of similar cells together form a tissue. First, you knew that our body is made up of little parts, and that little parts are called cells, very little parts, and this is the basic structure. Okay, this is the basic structure of our body, and these similar cells means some same cells make a group. Some same cells make a group, and that group form a tissue. Okay, that group make a tissue. This is called tissue. Not the different kinds of cells. Same cells means same type of cells. If there is muscle cells, then all muscle cells make a group and that form a tissue. Not the muscle cells and bone cells. Muscle cells and bone cells can't make tissue together. Only all will be muscle cells, then it will be make tissue. Okay, two or more kinds of tissues together form organs. Means first you understand that the cells, same cells make tissue. Okay, suppose that muscle cells make together group and form a tissue, then bone cells make group together and make a tissue. Then two tissues are formed, one is muscle and one is bone. Now these two tissues, two kinds of tissues, not the same kind, two kinds of tissues or more than two, it can be more than two, they two kinds of tissues make an organ, not the same. Reminder it, not the same, different kinds of tissues form an organ or make an organ. Okay, now many organs together form an organ system. Like this, it will be formed too many organs. Okay, different type of organs, and all the organs means many, not all, many organs work together and they form an organ system. Understood? Now, all the organ systems together form an organism. First, cells form tissue, tissue forms organs, organ forms organ system, and organ system forms organism. Okay, same cells form tissue, not the different cells. Same cells make tissue, form tissue. Different tissues form organs. Okay, then many organs. Organs will be different, organs will not be same. So many organs form organ system, and organ system form an organism. Okay. Now see cell. What is the cell? Cell, it is the building block of our body. Tissue. Tissue is a group of similar cells form a tissue. Okay. A group of similar cells form a tissue. Organ, a group of tissues form an organ. Organ system, many organs together form an organ system. Now what is our organ systems? Listen carefully. A system is a group of small parts working together. A system is a group of small parts working together. Okay. Our body is made up of many organ systems. An organ system is a group of organs working together to perform a specific function. As we all know, our body have different organs, and all the organs have their different function. But when the organs are working together, when organs are or parts are working together in a group, this is called system. Okay, organ system. Or all body parts has their own work, but sometimes they work together, and that is called system. Our body is made up of many organ system. In our body there are so many different organ system. For brain there is nervous system. For our stomach, for our heart, there are so many different systems. So you have to remember it. What is organ system? An organ system is a group of organs working together to perform a specific function. Means to perform a function is called organ system. I hope you are understand. Do page number 38, and next topic I will make you understand next day. Thank you.